What's up guys, we're back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about my posters. If you remember my last video, how I plan my days, I talked about how I plan my time and how I use my posters on my wall to keep me motivated. And over time, it's been like months since I posted that video, like ever since I was in grade 10. I'm in grade 11 now. So yeah, a few months ago, I put my posters just to keep me motivated. It was just a way to keep me going, to remember that I gotta stay on my hustle, I got it, keep it up, you know what I mean? Now I use my posters in a different way, and I'm gonna be showing you what I do with my new posters right now. As you can see, my wall is full of papers. But why are all the sheets of paper all scattered around? Why aren't they just on one wall? Well, as you can see, each wall has a category, and we're gonna start on this orange wall right here. So come along here. So this is my self-development wall. As you can see, just look at all the posters, slowly look around. So as you can see, is how to stay motivated, how not care what other people think. That's what I'm focusing on. That's why it's all red around. I also have how to be more comfortable when public speaking, how to stop second. Basically all this stuff is articles I got that I'm dealing with, and how to build my character so all of this becomes, you know, who I am. How to build my character. So this side was the motivation post, how to stay motivated, build your character, self-development. This one is how to like keep me motivated. Alright, so this is so sometimes I can feel down, unmotivated, I don't want to do stuff, and so for a solution for that, I write a whole bunch of sheets to keep me going. So as you can see here, this is about why you shouldn't fear the unknown. Has a bunch of examples. One of the examples here is that everything is the unknown, so just chase it basically. Here are 7 signs you're going to be successful. So this is awesome because I feel like this sheet relates to me, because I've been like really working hard at my craft, all the stuff I do. I have some quotes, some stuff I got from books. I wrote actual quotes right here. I wrote my accomplishments down here. You can see those. Every single time I have an accomplishment, I just write down here and just look at it whenever I don't feel motivated. I have what makes me more than average. Who am I, my best self? I write all this stuff in clarity and why I think that. Basically just saying like, keep on going, you're doing some good stuff, keep at it. Here's some sheets to keep at it. So I just read it whenever I feel unmotivated and it keeps me going, you know? Alright, this section is just one poster. This is my food organizer. You can't really see it, and it's kind of hard for the camera guy to come here, so I'll just show you. So this is my food organizer. I don't know if you can read it, but I'll basically describe. So basically I wrote, for a teenager, I need 2,500 calories a day. An adult, I need 2,300 calories a day. I work out every day, so I need to eat a lot of calories, but I want to make sure I'm healthy. And from being healthy, I can do work with, you know, being more happy, being more energetic, being just my good well-being, you know? So I can work hard, I can do my stuff good, keep on working out, just keep at it basically. And so I wrote down all these healthy trays, healthy snacks, healthy meals. I wrote 700 calories each meal, so that would equal 1,400 calories. 2,300 calories for 3 meals, and then 2 snacks, 100 calories each, so it'll equal 2,500 calories, which I need as a teenager. And yeah, that's what I wrote for my planner. This wall right here is my future long-term goals kind of stuff, so basically for the future. So I wrote down, what do I want for my 20-year-old self? I wrote down all the stuff I want for me when I'm 20, and all these sheets here are helping me to work. So it happens when I turn 20. So everything's working, getting ahead of life. I wrote down my budget goals for money. So some of them are already crossed out, as you can see. Like I got the gimbal, I got the ring light, I got my computer, you know, my laptop. So there's still stuff I'm trying to buy. Some of them for music production, some of them are still for video stuff. But it's going one by one, and it's helping my content become better. This one is my life plan. So marketing, how I can get myself big, how I can keep growing, rebranding, all that stuff. And I have future goals, just learning Adobe, learning a bunch of software stuff for the future, so my content can become amazing. Alright, is good? Yeah. Go. This is my clarity wall. This is some clarity. I write down questions, I answer it, and I put it down here to remind myself so I can be clear. Also, can you show over here? There's clarity over here. It shows like, what is my motivation, so I always know like what's keeping me motivated, all that stuff. And so yeah, let's get back to here. So this is my chore list. My parents pay me for doing chores, so I'm making sure I'm on track. This is my award system. I have a new one now. I finally completed this one. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. I reward myself for that. Got a soda. This is my speeches I did at the church, in my church here. Can you see a little? So yeah, all this stuff. So this is kind of like a accomplished board in a way too. And this one, the humongous board poster, is my vision board. So in this book right here, How to Stop Doubting Yourself and Unleashing Your Greatness by Jen Sincero. This book was amazing. Totally recommend it, by the way. Alright, so this book, she talked about how when you doubt yourself and when you're like, basically you don't see the results when you're doing all this progress, you just want to look at what your vision is, what you want to see the future of you to become, kind of like that. So this is what I wrote down. I wrote down 500,000 views for my blog, wrote down 500,000 subscribers for my YouTube, and I wrote down 12 million streams for my Spotify. And that's just what I want to see. I just want to see growth. I want to see myself building a tribe for me to inspire people and for this just to happen. So I always stare at it whenever I feel down and be like, this is gonna happen, keep on hustling, you know? And that's all my posters. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video inspires you to become an awesome paper wall designer like I am. I post weekly videos, so be sure to subscribe. I'm always posting videos. So yeah, I hope this helped you a lot. Stay tuned for new videos. See ya.